Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 125PS 270 Trend Front-Wheel Drive L1 High Roof Spares OR Repairs Black Spares OR Repairs Bargain Open Mouth Smile. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 166719. Engine, 2198 cc 2.212PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.